This video is to show you how to be able to save documents within your VU courses or your PLTW classes, or a document that is not inside of Google Classroom. If you need to get it and get it into your drive to open it up in Google Docs, this video will help you. So the first thing you want to do is launch Google Chrome, and in the top right hand corner you will see 3 lines. It's circled in red. You will click there, and then on this menu that opens up, you'll go down to Settings, that's circled in red and highlighted in blue. You will click on Settings. Inside Settings, the first thing you're going to want to check is if you're signed into Chrome. If you are not signed into Chrome, it'll look like it does here on the screen. If you are, you should see your school email address. So if you're not signed into Chrome, click on Sign into Chrome. Then you will be prompted to log in with the exact same way you'd log into Gmail or Google Classroom, anything like that. You would type your full school email address, which is your username at students.elberg.k12.in.us, and your school provided password. And then you will say, yes, I want to link the account. Next step is to get back to the Google home screen, and in the top left corner of your screen you will see the apps button. It's squared off in red, and when you click that, it'll take you to a screen that looks similar to what you're looking at, and you want to click on the web store. Once in the web store, over on the left hand side, you'll want to click on extensions. Now up in the red square box on the screen here, you'll want to type in save to Google Drive and then hit enter. And it will be the 4th option down. It's underneath extensions and it's circled on the screen that says save to Google Drive. You will click add to Chrome, and then it'll come up with a pop-up box that says confirm new extension, and you will say add. And then after a few seconds, you'll notice a new icon appear up by your address bar in the top right corner. It's a little drive icon, and it'll say it's been added to your Google Chrome account. Now it should be ready to go. So how it works is when you're in VU courses that have a document or a PowerPoint or a spreadsheet of any sort, or even a PDF, and before you would click it and it wouldn't do anything. It would look like it downloaded, but then it would disappear. Now what you would do is you would right click on the document that you need, or the PowerPoint that you need, or the spreadsheet that you need. So you would do a right click, and you would go down to Save Link to Google Drive. You would see the Google Drive icon. You will click that, and on the first time of using it, you're going to say allow it to work. What it's going to do is it's allowing that pathway between the Chrome browser and your Google Drive account. So you would say allow. You should only have to do that once, and then it'll do a download. Now once it's downloaded, you have 2 options. You can close it and it's there, or you can rename it to something that you would remember, or rename it to whatever you wanted. So you could rename it, but when you're done, ultimately you're going to want to click close. Rename is circled on the right, and close is on the left. It's also circled. Then to see that file, you would navigate to Google Drive, and it'll be in the My Drive area. Notice it's highlighted or circled in red, and you would find that letter, or find that document, or PowerPoint, or spreadsheet, or PDF, and you would double click it to open it, and it'll look like this. So then you could open it up over on the top center. It's circled in red. You would just click on the word open, and that file is opened inside of Google Docs. It is viewable and editable, and you can use it. And if you've been given an assignment, you can type in it, and it's fully accessible. So it's the Google Save to Google Drive extension inside of Chrome, and I hope this video was helpful.